Hey guys, it's Sylvia. I want to share with you a super delicious recipe. Is this hibiscus tacos? I made them in the past and I always loved them, but for some reason I stopped making them. And then the other day I made some hibiscus tea and I remembered about the recipe, so I made some tacos. Wow, I couldn't believe how delicious they are, and it's just that it's so easy. And also I think it's really cool that you're able to use like the whole flour and don't waste it at all. So if you want to learn how I make these tacos, let's go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye! So I have a cup of hibiscus flour here. Mine came cut up into small pieces. If you have the whole flour, that's fine, it doesn't matter. My flour that I have here doesn't have as much color because I made tea with it twice. After I made tea with it, I rinsed it through with warm water. So we want to make sure we do that because hibiscus is pretty sour and we don't want that strong sour flavor in our tacos. I also have a small pepper here. This is a bell pepper cut up. I use red, but it can be any color you have. I also have half an onion over here. This onion was also small. For the spices, I have some salt over here. This will depend to your taste. I have like 2 teaspoons in here. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 clove of garlic chopped up into small pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and about 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika gives it a really good flavor, and I also have my tortillas over here. I started by heating my pan to like medium heat, and I have added some olive oil. I started by adding the hibiscus here and I let it cook for like 1.5 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the garlic and the onions. Once the onions are a bit clear, I'm going to add the bell peppers and my spices. be moving this like every minute or so just to make sure that it doesn't stick to our pan and that everything cooks through. I've been cooking mine for about 8 minutes at the most. What we're looking for here is that the bell peppers are cooked through and that the onions are cooked through. We don't want that to be super crunchy either in our tacos, because in that case the onions could have a really strong flavor and we don't want that to overpower. My comal has been heating up here and I'm gonna add my tortillas now. I will be adding some cheese to my tortillas. So some of them be tacos, the other ones quesadillas. If you are worried that these tacos don't have enough protein or something like that, the cheese can provide you another source of protein. Hibiscus does have a little bit of protein, but not too much. So you can also add to these tacos some beans or tofu, anything you want to add to it. It's up to you. I have some salsa here and guacamole to add to my tacos. I can share the recipe of this with you later. I made this one super fast. Honestly, like my mouth is watering so much right now. And I have to confess that I ate like 5 of them. But yes, I hope you enjoy them as much as I did.